All right, so we are multiplying fractions today, and we can change it a couple different ways. We can explain it this way, where this is 1/5 times 3 over 1, or 1 times 3 over 5. 1 times 3 is 3, and keep the denominator 5. Let me change the thickness of this. Let's go there. Another way to think of it is 1/5 3 times. So 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. We can do it easily in this one because there's only 3, but oftentimes it becomes a little more complicated, especially if the numerator is not 1. Here we go. We have 1/3 times 6. So we have 1/3, how many times? 6. So that equals 6/3. And how many times can 3 go into 6 evenly? 2. Or the other way to do it, let me change colors, is 1/3 times 6 over 1, which equals 1 times 6 over 3 equals 6 over 3 and equals 2 wholes. Here's another one. Let's just go straight to combining the numerators. So 1 times 8 over 6. 1 times 8 is 8 over 6. How many times does 6 go into 8 evenly without going over? 1 time. Now let's take away 6 and 2/6. Now you should see that the 2 can be 2 and 6 are divisible by 2, so it's going to equal 1 and 1/3. That is the final answer, 1 and 1/3. I want you also to think of this as 5 times 1/2. It's the same as 5 times a half or a half times 5. Both ways are completely fine. So 5 times 1 over 2 equals 5 over 2. I know I can pull out some wholes. How many times does 2 go into 5 without going over? 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, so take away 4 pieces and 1/2. Here's another visual. Multiply 6 by 3/4. So here you have the total of 6, and you're taking 3/4. 1, 2, 3 out of 4, not this one. So 6 times 3/4 equals 6, right here, 6 times 3 over 4, which equals 18 over 4. Now I know I can pull out some wholes. Let's skip count by 4, not going over 18. 4, 8, 12, 16 goes in there 4 times. Take away 16 is 2/4. I know I can reduce that because 2 goes into both of them evenly. So the answer is going to be 4 and 1/2. It's the final answer. All right, now I'm going to give you a chance to work on these on your own to see how well you're doing before I let you off and do your homework. So when I say pickles, you're going to go find your notebook, or maybe it's sitting right next to your math notebook. Open it up to tasks and put number 7, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Then you are going to work on them and then come back and see the answers and make sure you get the right answers. If you don't, then you need to come and see me on my office hour times on either Friday, ask me, or the following Monday or Wednesday, okay? Pickles. All right, so hopefully you are all done. I will work fairly quickly to complete this so you can see the answers. So 2 times 1 over 5 equals 2/5, final answer. 3 times 2 over 3, 6 over 3, divide, 3 goes into 6 2 times, 2 wholes, final answer. 9 times 1 over 6 equals 9 over 6. I can pull out a whole, take away 6 pieces, 3 6. I can reduce that to 1 1/2, final answer. All right, I'm not even going to write them down. 7 times 3 is 21 over 8. How many wholes go into 8s go into 21 without going over? 2 5/8. Final answer, 2 5/8. 8 times 3, because this actually is over 1, so 24 over 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times. Final answer. 12 over 1. 12 times 3 is 36 over 8. 8 goes into 36 4 times without going over, with 4 pieces left over. Keep the denominator. Reduce to 4 1/2. Final answer. All right, now it's your turn to do the exercises. It's exercise 7, page 1 and 2. There is an assignment sheet for this as well. Even though it's in here, you could either screenshot this or go to assignments and submit it that way. Actually, I'd rather go to assignments so I can see easily who completed it. Good luck.